Lately, you may have seen the insane hype around an online chatbot called ChatGPT. Maybe you've seen some videos of people typing in different prompts in this technology, and in seconds, the bot spits out an answer in the form of written text. The potential for this technology is really endless and can be applied to hundreds of things. But in this video, what I'm going to be doing is showing you how to leverage this free bot to make money online. What I'm going to do is first off share with you how to sign up for a free account to access the ChatGPT technology. Then I'm going to share with you 3 completely different ways you can use it to help you promote products online as an affiliate so you can start to make referrals and money as easy and fast as possible. So if you're excited to learn this, be sure to smash the like button right now to let me know, and also subscribe for my latest affiliate marketing training. Now, before I share with you exactly how to create a free account and start using ChatGPT, the first step is to find a good high converting product to promote so we can start to use this to make money. Now, one place you can go is clickbank.com. Now, it's actually not my favorite place. The payouts can be a bit slow. If you want to discover my #1 affiliate program to get paid instant, close to 100% commissions up to $2,000, click the first link below and check that free video out. But the first thing we want to do after we get a good product to promote is we want to go to Google, and you can simply type in ChatGPT and go ahead and search that. Now, the link you're looking for is openai.com. You want to open up that link right there. Now, it should take you to a page that looks something like this, and you can click Try ChatGPT, which you can go ahead and create a free account. Now, once you log in, you're going to get taken to this page here. Now, you can see right here at the bottom, this blinking cursor. This is where we can literally type in whatever prompt we want. Now, it gives you some examples. Got any creative ideas for a 10-year-old's birthday? Explain quantum computing in simple terms. So you can really use this for whatever you want. But the first thing I'm going to share with you is if you go over to a site called Quora.com. Now, maybe you know about this site. What it is, it's a question and answer site where you can basically either ask questions yourself or you can answer questions. So what we would do is we would think first off about what niche the product we're promoting is in. So let's say you found a product and it's in the health and fitness niche. What you want to do is type in on Quora health and fitness, okay? And you just want to type that in and you want to search that. And what we want to do on the left side is filter by questions, because this is going to share with us all these different questions. And what you want to do is you just want to find any one of these questions. Okay, so what are the best health and fitness tips? I can open up that question, and if I've created an account with Quora, which is totally free to do, I can click here to answer, and I can go ahead and write an answer. Now, again, this is where ChatGPT is going to come in. Rather than spending your time and effort, writing these answers on Quora, I can literally just copy this question here, go to ChatGPT, type this in, and just hit this search thing right there. And literally in a matter of seconds, it is going to write an answer, okay? A very good answer when it comes to that question. Okay, so I came back after literally about 20 seconds, and you can see that it wrote 9 different tips. Eat a healthy, balanced diet, choose a variety of fruits, vegetables, whole grains, limit your intake of sugary drinks. So these are incredible tips, okay? And you can see, I hope these tips are helpful. They even added an outro to the answer. So literally all I have to do is copy this here, go to Quora, and literally just paste that in. Okay, so that is our answer. Now, how do we make money from this? Well, what we want to do is ultimately link them to our affiliate product that we're promoting. So I can hit enter a few times. Now, you can't just put in your affiliate link. So let's pretend that this is my affiliate link that I'm promoting. You could have gone to ClickBank, got an affiliate link. I share a lot of tutorials on my channel how to get your affiliate link. Or again, if you promote my #1 affiliate program at the link below, you don't just want to put it in there because Quora will typically block your post because it looks like spam. What we can do is we can say, click here to discover my #1 way to lose weight and get fit, or discover my #1 way to make money online or trade Forex, okay, whatever niche we're in. And then all you have to do is go to Google, type in blogger, and then just go to blogger.com. Blogger.com Quora.com is a free blog creation website. Rather, you can go here. I can create an account for free, hit new post. And then what we can do with this post is I can actually put my affiliate link there. Okay, so I went ahead and created the new post. For the title, I can say best way to lose weight. And then I just say, go here for the details. Okay, and then we would basically put our affiliate link on the blogger page. Then all we would have to do is click publish and then just go ahead and go to view and then copy the link at the top. So we're just basically putting our affiliate link on Blogger because typically Blogger blogs are accepted by Quora. So this is just a very quick workaround. And then we just go back to Quora, highlight this. Okay, you can go there, this little paperclip icon, and then paste the URL there, add. So now it's hyperlinked, and then we just hit post. And there's the answer. You can see the answer. We click there, it goes to here, and then they would go to our affiliate link. Okay, so what I would personally do is I would just go through and I would answer as many questions as possible. Just take the question, paste it in here. You can just go all the way through getting answers for these questions over and over again. Now, the second way you can actually start to use GPT to make money is just straight from your Facebook profile. So if you have some friends or family on your profile and you want to start making money, what you can do is you can literally just go here and I can think about what type of niche I'm in. Okay, so let's say you're in the health and fitness niche, and what we can do is go back to ChatGPT, and it's gonna depend on what product you're promoting, but let's say your product you're promoting teaches people how to lose 7 pounds in 10 days, for example. And let's say the product has a free video on the sales page. So I can write something like this. Write a Facebook post that will pique people's interest about a free video teaching people how to lose 7 pounds in 10 days. Make the post end with a call to action for people to comment below the post for the link to the video. And then all I have to do is hit there, and literally in a matter of seconds, it starts typing. So after a few seconds, you can see it right here. Hey friends, I wanted to let you all know about a free video I just watched that taught me how to lose 7 pounds in just 10 days. I was skeptical at first, but the techniques and strategies shared in the video really worked for me. If you're looking to kickstart your weight loss journey and drop a few pounds quickly, you won't want to miss this. Comment below if you're interested and I'll send you the link to the video. Trust me, you won't be disappointed. So notice it has the call to action right there. Just like we said, it includes the 7 pounds in 10 days, the free video. Okay, so I mean, this is incredible. And again, it's literally just in a matter of seconds. So I can copy this, go to my Facebook profile, go to create a post, and literally just write this. Okay, and if I want to format it a little bit, I can go ahead and do this, and I can literally just hit post. And when people start to comment on this post, all you would do is just reply to the comment. So let me see if I can find an example. Okay, so I found an example. Not too long ago, I made a post on my Facebook profile with a call to action for someone to comment. And you can see I had 29 comments, 2K, and then all you wanna do once people comment is you literally just open up their profile, you message them and you say, hey, I saw you requested information on this free video. Go to this link to check it out. And then you would just send them your affiliate link. Very powerful. And then if you wanna do this post again, let's say you wait a few days, you can just go back here and I can literally just regenerate response and it will rewrite it in a different way. So you can see right here, it literally just rewrote this in a different way, and you can go ahead and use this again. You could also post this in a Facebook group that has to do with the niche, such as losing weight, and people can comment there as well. Now, the last powerful strategy that I want to share with you in this specific video is you can get this to write blog posts. So let's say you found a product on ClickBank, and let's say the product again was in the weight loss niche and sticking with the theme through this video. Let's say it taught people how to lose 7 pounds in 10 days. What I could do is I could literally just go here and say, write a product review of a weight loss product that helps people lose 7 pounds in 10 days. Make the review positive and end it with a call to action to purchase through the link. Okay, just like that. And we hit enter and it literally will start writing an article that you can use if you have a blog, if you have your own website, you can go ahead and paste that on there. So you can see right here, I recently tried out the weight loss product that claims to help you lose 7 pounds in 10 days. I have to say I was really impressed with the results, etc. Now you could even say, you know, write a review, write a product review on, and then write in the specific name of the product if you want this article to use the keywords to try to help rank this article in the search engine. Now, again, you could just take this article, and if you have a blog, so for example, this is an example of my blog, you could literally just paste this article in here, and you just have the different points right there. And then at the bottom would just have your link right there, which would go to your affiliate offer. I just want to share with you one more bonus method. So as you can see on my YouTube channel, I get quite a few views on these videos. Now, if you want to start using videos and start making product commissions with YouTube, for example, we can literally just go right back to ChatGPT and then type in something like this. Write a YouTube script on a video teaching people 5 ways to lose weight. Include an intro and outro in our video script. And I just click here and it will start to literally write a video script that you can say when you go to record your video. So for example, welcome to our video on 5 ways to lose weight. Losing weight can be difficult and overwhelming task, but it doesn't have to be. In this video, we'll be sharing with you 5 simple and effective ways to shed those extra pounds and get on track. First and foremost, etc. etc., etc. It gives you the 5 tips in your video. Doing numbered tips, if you want to write a YouTube script, is very good. You can do, write 3 tips. You could do 5. Anything from 3 to about 7 tips per video is very good. And then it even has the outro. Remember, losing weight is not about quick fads and diets, etc. And you can literally just record a video saying this, and then at the end, give a call to action to go underneath the video and click your affiliate link. Now, we are still in the very beginning of this powerful bot technology. ChatGPT is just getting better and better. If you have any more ideas on how to make money with affiliate marketing and ChatGPT, be sure to comment below in the comment section. I'm sure my audience would love reading that, and you'd be helping our incredible community. Like this video if you got value and you want me to make more videos on how to use this powerful technology. I'll be sure to create more videos in the future on leveraging this to make money with affiliate marketing. Now, as I said before, be sure to click the first link below to see a free video revealing how to easily set up my #1 affiliate system to promote with the method shared in this video to get paid instant 100% commissions. Also click the subscribe button with the bell icon so you don't miss out on my latest money-making methods. And last, if you want to discover another incredibly easy method to make commissions online, be sure to click the video that will show on the screen in just a second to discover that one also. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you on the next video.